My name is Pradeep and I am from Sufalam Technologies. So in today's session, we will learn what is the multilingual and what are the uses of multilingual. So multilingual is the features that offer more than one language in your web application. So you can use more than one language in your application. Whether you want to reach a global audience or target more locations, multilingual is the key to use that. So here are the plugins which are used in ReactJS to use multilingual. So first of all, React INTL, React INT Next, React INTL Universal, and all the listed are the packages of the React framework. So why to choose React INTL over other plugins? So we will use React INTL in this session. So here are the list why to choose React INTL. So first of all, it's most popular plugins, and comparing to the other plugins, easy to implement. It's no more need to R&D to implement. Almost support all the localizations like dates, currency, number, and etc. And also it's offered by the Yahoo, so the maintenance will be done by the periodically time. Another thing will be they are supporting more than 150 languages, so that's why it's good to use React INTL for multilingual. Okay, so React INTL is the library that is used to make your web application as an internal island. So here is the command to how to install in packages. Like for if you are using npm, then you can use npm React INTL, and if you are using yarn, then you can also use yarn command to install the library. So here we will check out with the new project, so you can get the idea how to use multilingual in React application with the starting. You can also use with existing project. You have to follow the same thing, so just have to keep this step. So once you fire in the terminal, you will get the response like all the packages are added, so your React application is ready to use. After that, so you have to use React INTL, then the listed libraries such as Babel CLI, Babel plugins, React INTL, then translation manager. All the things are required to use React INTL. So to install all these packages, you have to just use the npmi and the name of the libraries, so you can directly use that. After the installation, you have to run the project and see that all the things will be installed properly. So after that, we will build a project, a sample project to how to use the things. Okay, so first of all, we have to create two files. One is ar.json and second one is en.json. So generally all these files are located at the src folder, and then after you can create your own folder for separation. In today's session, we will create for English and Arabic, so that's why we have created only two JSON. So in this JSON, we have to put actual string. So like I have add one key like our mission, and then I have to put the string on both the JSON. One is for Arabic and one is for English. So you can do as many as string here as per the requirement. Then after I have combined all the things into one common file, so we don't have to need or avoid multiple import on the files. So after that, you have to use INTL provider, which is a wrapper of React INTL library, which I have written in the line number of 12. So where you have to provide the JSON file that we have created earlier, and also have to pass the default language for the web application, which I have used as a use context, and in the local variable, my current language will be located in there. So actual the local keyword will be reference of English languages. So after that, you have to wrap your application in INTL provider. So all the data will be included in here. So after that, I have created one button, and on the click of that button, the language will be switched. So in that case, you have to update the languages from Arabic to English. So after that, once you change the language, you have to update the string also. So in that case, you have to use formatted message type, which is the wrapper of React INTL, to display the string from the JSON. So our string was our mission. So I have write down the our mission as ID, which is reference to the JSON, and the string will be fetched from that JSON as displayed here. You can also provide default message, like if any issue or the string is missing from the JSON files, then the default message will be shown to the web browser. Okay, so that's the thing that we have to do as a code level. You can also use multiple libraries or other things to match the design or to make a sample. Okay, so this is the output. As you see that the text is showing in the middle of the content, and in the top of the header there is an Arabic label where I can click on them and switch to the English. So once I click on the English button, the Arabic data will be changed to the English, and English data will be changed to the Arabic. So once I click on the Arabic, all the data in the applications are changed from English to Arabic here. On the vice versa, when you click on the English button, the all Arabic details are automatically changing from Arabic to the English. So that's the thing that you have to use. And the next thing is, thank you so much for listening. And here is the GitHub repositories that you can check out from our Sufalam Technologies repository. You can get the sample and build your own. Thank you.